Hello, my dear student. Welcome to my channel. Here, Mr. Adi. Today, I'm going to start the word section. So, if you want to get 100% grade in this assignment, you must follow this video step by step, and you will get 100% grade in this assignment. So, the name of this chapter is Exp25 Word Chapter 2 Cumulative Assessment Space. So, basically, in this assignment, 18 steps are given to perform this project. Let's move on to step number 1. And if you want me to do this assignment, before starting this assignment, if you want me to do this assignment, I will do this just in 20 minutes and will give you A plus grade in this assignment. Even I will do your complete course like MATLAB Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI and Outlook also. And I will help you in your other courses also like all type of accounting and finance, mathematics, statistics, information technology, computer science, management, marketing, all type of writing work and other courses also. We are a complete team. That's why we are providing help related to all online courses and we have granted that we will provide A plus grade in your all classes. Let's start this assignment. So our first step is start Word, download and open the file name exp225 Word Chapter 2 Cumulative Assessment Space. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file. Ensure that non-printing characters are displayed. So basically, in step number 1, we will download our instruction file and answer file from our course. So this is our instruction file and this is our answer file. So, and next, ensure that non-printing characters are displayed. So we will go here in answer file and we will ensure that non-printing characters are turned on. So it's turned on. When we will click, it will be turned off. And now here's in instruction, here's mention that non-printing character will be disabled. So we will disable these. So step number character are disabled. Okay. So step number first is done. Now step number 2. Step number 2 is select underwater astronaut trainer in the first body paragraph and bold it. Select thermal design challenge in the first body paragraph and bold it. Select all text from Space Academy. The first heading in the line by itself on page 1 through pack your bags on page 2 and change the font to Cambria with the font size of 14. Change the alignment of selected text to justify. So basically in step number 2, first we will select the text which is given here underwater astronaut trainer. Okay, so it's located in first body paragraph and we will first we will select this and after selected this paragraph we will bold this. Okay, so we will select the text which one underwater astronaut trainer. Okay, we will check here in the first body paragraph. Yes, here underwater astronaut trainer. So first we will select this and we will go to home tab and we will just bold this. Okay, so next is select next is select thermal design challenge the first body paragraph and bold it. So again we will select the another text thermal design challenge. So it's also located in first body paragraph. Yes, here at the end of paragraph. So we will select this text and we will bold this also. Okay. So next is select all text from Space Academy. The first line heading on a line by itself on page 1 through pack your bags on page 2 and change the font to Cambria with the font size of 14. So basically in this point we will select the document with starting from Space Academy. It's located in its body paragraph. So we will start from here Space Academy and we will drag this down till and the last word is pack your bag. Okay, Yes, just check it. Pack your bag, okay? And we will change the font to Cambria with the font size 14. We'll change the font Cambria here, and we will change also font size 14. I think yes, 14. Okay. So next is change the alignment of selected text to justify. So it's already selected, and we will change the alignment to justify. So step number 2 is completely done. Step number 3. Step number 3 is select the bulleted activities in the Space Academy section on page 1 and adjust the line spacing to 1.15. Ensure that paragraph spacing before and after is 0 pt for the selected paragraph. So basically in step number 3, we will select the bulleted activities which is located in the Space Academy section on page 1. So first we will select the bulleted activities which is located on the page 1 under Space Academy body paragraph. Yes, this one. We will select this bulleted paragraph. Okay, after selecting these bulleted paragraph, we will adjust the line spacing to 1.15. So select these bulleted paragraph and then go to home tab, and in paragraph here you will just click at line and paragraph spacing. So here we will select the 1.15 line spacing. So next is ensure that the paragraph spacing before and after is 0 pt for the selected paragraph. So in this point says that we will change the after and before and after line spacing to 0 pt. Okay. So it's already selected, and then go to home tab, and in paragraph, Gary will just click at paragraph setting, and then we will change the spacing 0 before 0 and after also 0. After this, we'll just click at OK. So step number 3 is completely done. Step number 4. So step number 4 is use format painter to copy the format of the bulleted items in the Space Academy section to bulleted items in the Space Camp section and also in the Adult Space Academy section. So basically step number 4, we will use the format painter to apply the same format painter on another bulleted item. So it's already selected, and we will copy this format painter. Okay, just go to home tab, and in clipboard group we'll just click that format painter. Okay, so I copied the this one format painter, and we will apply the this format painter to which one section in the Space Academy section, bulleted item in the Space Camp section. Okay, so we will go to Space Camp section here, and we will apply the format painter to these bulleted items. Okay, so select these, and bulleted format painter is applied now on these bulleted items in the space section. So next is, and also in the adult Space Academy section, again we will copy this format painter copy this, and we will apply this format painter in the Adult Space Academy. There are bulleted items. Oh yes, here. So we will copy these, select these, and we will apply the format painter on this bulleted list. Okay. So step number 4 is completely done. Step number 5. Step number 5 is select the final 3 paragraphs that are shown above the boxed area at the end of the document, beginning with sign up online and ending with pack your bags. Apply numbering selecting numbers that are followed by a period. Decrease the indent so that the item began at the left margin. So basically in step number 5, first we will select the 3 paragraph that are shown above the boxed area at the end of the document. So first we'll go to down just here. So these are our three lines, three paragraphs which start beginning with sign up online and ending with pack your bag. So we will select these three lines. We will select these paragraph. We will select this paragraph. After selected this paragraph, we will apply the numbering. We will apply the numbering format. Okay. So select this and then go to home tab, and in paragraph there you will just apply, go to numbering numberings, and we will apply the numbering bulleted item. Okay, yes, here numbering item and number element. Okay, apply numbering, select number that are followed by a period. Yes, decrease the indent so that the item began at the left margin. So we will decrease the indent just one time. So go to home tab, still selected, and then go to home tab, and in paragraph query we'll just, this is our decrease indent and it's our increase indent, but we will just decrease the indent one time. So we will click here at one time. So step number 5 is completely done. Step number 6. Step number 6 is display the ruler. So ruler is already displayed. Yes. If it's not displayed, then go to view tab and just check this box ruler. Okay. Next, click before the first blank paragraph above the border text at the end of the document. Press enter, set or left tab at 1 and the right tab at 6. Ensure that the right tab includes a dash leader option 3. Ensure that the font is 14 pt Cambria. So basically in step number 6, we will click before the first blank paragraph above the bordered text at the end of the document. So we will click, go to down, yes, and we will click here. We will just go to home tab and we will turn on non-printing characters. Okay, and we will just click here at the end of the document and before boxed area. Okay, so just click here and we will next press enter. After clicking here, we will press enter, and next is set our left tab at 1 and right tab at 6. So we will go here at home tab and just click at paragraph setting, and then go down and just click at tabs. So here we will, in tab top option, we will set the one for left and 6 for right. So we will write here 1 and just left is already selected, and we will just click at set. So next and a right tab at 6. So we will write here 6 and we will just select the option, which one, right one. And next is ensure that the right tab includes a dash leader option 3. So we will also select this 3 option with dash. Okay, select this. Ensure okay. So after this we will just click at okay. Ensure that the font is 14 pt Cambria. Okay, so we'll just go to font and we'll change here Cambria, and we will also change the font size 14. So step number 6 is completely done. Step number 7. Step number 7 is press tab and enter space adventure no period. Press tab and enter uh, Devi Dawson Space Center no period. Drag the 6th tab back to 5.5 on the ruler. Bold the tabbed line of text. So basically in step number 7, we will press tab. Okay, press tab. Yes, we will press tab from your keyboard. Okay, and next we will write this, enter this. Okay, so we'll copy this text, Control C, and we'll paste this text here, Control V, and just click that arrow and keep text only. This one, last one option, keep text only. And next is press tab again and enter this one text. So we will press tab again, okay, and we will enter the text. Which one? Davidson Space Center. Okay, copy this, Control C, and we will paste this text here, Control V, click that arrow and keep text only. So next is drag the sixth tab back to 5.5 on the ruler, bold the tabbed line of text. So basically in this point we will drag the margin area to set the margin area to 5.5. So just check here, our margin area is here 6, we will set this 5.5. So step number 7 is completely done. Now step number 8. Step number 8 is select the Space Camp programs heading at the top of the document. Insert word art choosing fill gray accent color 3 sharp bevel row 2 column 5. So basically in step number 8 we will select the Space Camp program heading at the top of the document. So first we'll select the heading here, select this heading. After selected the heading, we will insert word art and we will choose the fill gray accent color 3 sharp bevel. Okay, so go to home tab, sorry, go to insert tab, and here in text, just click here in. First, we will click here in answer sheet in our Word document, and then go to insert tab and just click in text group. We will just click that insert word art and we will select here fill. Yes, this one I think. Fill gray accent color 3 sharp bevel. This one, okay? Just click here. So step number 8 is completely done. Now step number 9. So step number 9 is position the insertion point at the end of the third bulleted item near the top of page 2. Complete in camp wide challenge night. Press enter. Remove the bulleted from the new line. Insert smart art selecting circle arrow process from the process group. Enter Space Academy in the top text placeholder. Enter Space Camp in the middle text placeholder. Enter Adult Space Academy in the lower text placeholder. So basically in step number 9, first we will position then our insertion point at the end of the third bulleted item near the top of the page 2. Okay, so where it's already given a camp wide challenge night. So first we will find the text. This one, camp wide challenge night. It's located on page 2 in the third bullet. Go to page 2 and in third bullet camp wide challenge night. Camp. So first we will find this text. Yes, here. Just click here at the top of the page 2. Just click here at the end of the third bulleted list. Okay, just click here at the end of this bulleted list and then we'll press enter from your keyboard. And next is remove the bullet from the new line. Remove the bullet from the new line. So we'll remove also bullet from new line. Okay, and next is Insert smart dot select circle arrow process from the process group. So we will insert the smart dot and we will go to process group and we will select the which one and smart dot circle arrow process. So go to insert tab and just click right in restriction group. We'll just click at smart dot and in process section select the we will select the circle arrow process. Circle arrow process. Circle arrow process. Yes, this one, this one. Circle arrow process. Just select this and click right OK. And next is enter Space Academy in the top of the text placeholder. So we'll copy this and we will enter this in the top text placeholder. Copy this. Just click here and Control V. And next is enter Space Camp in the middle text placeholder. So we'll copy this text and we will enter this in second placeholder. And third is enter adult space academy in the lower text placeholder. So we'll copy this. Remove the space also. Do not copy the space. So we'll copy this. And just select third bulleted and we'll paste this text here. Okay, so step number 9 is completely done. Now step number 10. Our step number 10 is click an outside border of the smart or object so that the entire object is selected. Adjust the smart.height to 2 and width to 2. Change color to colorful range, ascend color 2 to 3. Position the smart.object choosing position in middle right with square text wrapping. So basically in step number 10 we will click an outside of the border. So click an outside of the border. Okay, so just we will select this one. We will select not this bulleted individually. We will just click the whole one, this smart dot. Okay, so I have selected the entire object. Yes, object. So the entire object is selected. Okay, adjust the smart dot height to 2 and width to 2. So we'll give the height and width. So go to home, go to format tab and in just click red size. So we'll do this here. 2, height is 2 and width is also 2. Okay. So next is change color to colorful range accent color 2 to 3. So we'll change the colorful. So select this and then go to smart art design tab and just click red color, change color, and in colorful section we will apply the colorful accent color 2 to 3, this one. Okay. So next is position the smart art object choosing position in middle right with square text wrapping. So in this point we will position the smart art object and we will position this in the middle right with square text wrapping. So select this and then go to format tab and just click at arrange, and after this we will just click at position arrow and we will select here position in the middle right with square text wrapping. Okay, arrange position and position in middle right, yes, this one, position in middle right with square text wrapping. Okay, so step number 10 is completely done. Now I have done this assignment, almost 60% of this assignment I have done. Okay, so if you want to get 100% So if you want to get complete assignment, I will do this just in 20 minutes and will give you A plus grade in this assignment. Even I will do your complete course like MATLAB Excel Access, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI and Outlook also. My WhatsApp number and email is given in the beginning of this video and also given in the description of this video. So I will help you in your other courses also like Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, Outlook, Access and other courses also like all type of accounting and finance, mathematics, statistics, information technology, computer science, management, marketing, MATLAB, Python, C++, Java and other courses also. We are completing, that's where we are providing help related to all online courses and we have granted that we will provide A plus grade in your all classes. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this complete video. Please subscribe this channel for upcoming assignments. Once again, thank you.